Okay guys, what's up? So today we're going to show you how to make a fidget spinner holder on your bike. There's many ways, but this is going to be like the simple essentials that we kind of need. So obviously you're going to need fidget spinners.
Did you tell them what we're gonna do?
Yeah.
Okay. So
And then you need a bike.
The things we're gonna need is fidget spinners. We need an old clamp that comes to this. Where your lights at? Can you show them? Where your lights at? This is what you're gonna need. Old thing where you have your light. You could break that piece of the light off. Break that thing off, and then you have this. As you guys can see, we tried to do it, but we kind of messed up. So
Mine worked out good,
it
but
still worked. But and you also need a hot glue gun.
like any kind of hot glue gun. And make sure you got glue in
Make sure
there.
you got glue. Make sure it's hot enough. It's hot enough.
And then, cause some people,
if you guys, if it's like broken like this, then you gotta want to mark the spot.
Mark a spot, so
Yeah.
Like it's a grip right there. As you guys can see, there's a
I
grip.
put that right there so it could be a grip because it was still a little small. Because it was still a little small. So then.
So we're gonna put glue right there first.
Yeah, it's not warm enough.
We're gonna let it sit for like 5 more minutes, and then we'll get it.
No, not 5 more minutes. This
like
is 30 seconds.
Oh, okay.
So we'll tell you what you can do. And then also, after you get that, I'm gonna use your fidget spinner. Actually, mine, because mine's so loud. Mine's loud, so I'm gonna use mine. You're gonna wanna like when you have this like this. If you don't wanna like mess up it completely,
you're gonna get
a water bottle cap. But I'm fine with it, so I'm fine with it like that. So I'm fine with not using a water bottle cap, so we're just gonna use it like this. Good enough, like you said.
So what he's basically doing is like making a grip for the fidget spinner. So we're gonna use this thingy right here, and so when we put it on, it's sort of a grip, so it could have
And be careful if you have a necklace on because mine's on my wrist.
Yeah. And then we're just gonna take it off, get the strings off,
and just
you're gonna slide it right there. Make sure you don't burn yourself. And then take this piece off. Ah, that burns.
And then you gotta
see how that grip is on there now. So
you could use hot glue or Gorilla Glue, whatever it's called, or super glue.
Focus.
Focus. But this is what we got. And can you go get me a little clamp thing?
A clamp? Oh, okay.
Never mind. And then you put a little bit of glue right here. And then glue it. Leave it there for a while. Gotta get on my bike so it's not heavy. And then I'll show you guys a test, but I'm gonna hold it because it still needs to dry a little. But look, see? It works. It's good enough. Now,
so
I'm gonna show you. When you first do it, you want to do it like that, because if not, if you don't do it and it's still a little dry, it's still a little wet, then it'll break off. So like that, and you push that, and then there you go. You got, guys, very long
fidget spinner holder. It's a legit.
Super secure.
Yeah.
It's a legit fidget spinner holder. And if you like that, it still doesn't hit you. So basically, you're going to need a fidget spinner hot glue gun or Gorilla Glue or Gorilla Glue.
No, hot glue is
Hot glue is better
fidget spinner.
because fidget spinner
Hot
hot
glue.
glue
And then you know that piece right there.
that goes to your light. As you guys can see, it will look like this once you take off that part, the black
Yeah,
piece.
you need to take that part off.
Maybe I could take it off right now.
And
I could take it off, but
if you have a bike like him, like where his won't stick all the way, you do a little grip with the hot glue,
yeah, I don't know.
and then you just slide it in.
It doesn't stick all the way because it was in Becky's bike and her bike's bigger.
Mhm.
This part's thicker.
Yeah. So yeah.
You guys got a legit fidget spinner holder. So I hope you guys like our first video. Hope you guys like our first fidget spinner video. This is our first YouTube video on this channel. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys when we make another video. Bye.
Peace.